And Nandigram, our top focus right there, bringing you these visuals coming in from Nandigram. This is the Battle of Nandigram, which is playing out between Mamata Banerjee and Shivendu Adhikari. Visuals on your screen right there. Mamata Banerjee offering prayers at the Shiv temple. The Mamata's Padyatra before the nomination. Nomination is going to be filed in about an hour from now. It's 1:27 p.m. on the watch, and 2:30 p.m. is when she's going to be filing her nomination. This is 100% Haram Ki Rajniti, which is playing out right there, as you can see. Two temples on the left side of your screens. Temple number 1, where Mamata is offering prayers. Temple number 2, Mamata offering prayers. And here you go, live visuals coming in of Mamata Banerjee's Padyatra. Getting you these live visuals from Haldia. Yes, that's Haldia, where we're getting you these live visuals from. This is the Padyatra of Mamata Banerjee right before filing her nomination in Nandigram. She's surrounded, of course, by scores of TMC supporters, party workers, all in cheer for Mamata Banerjee. And as our reporters have been saying, it's rather very electrifying atmosphere on ground as well, where they are. With Shivendu on one side, Mamata on the other. Mamata's Padyatra in Haldia before nomination is the live visual that you're seeing on your screens at the moment. Prema's right there. Prema, walk our viewers through all that is going on. The big Padyatra right there, right before she files a nomination, about an hour and 2 minutes to go before she files a nomination in Nandigram. Prema?
Mamata Banerjee walking from this very
We'll re-establish that connection to Prema right there, requesting the producers to bring us Prema back on, even if it's on the phone line, for her to walk our viewers through all that is going on and the way things are panning out on ground. For our viewers who have just tuned in, this is the live visual that you're seeing of Mamata Banerjee in Haldia in West Bengal right there. This is a big Padyatra that she has conducted right before filing her nomination papers. In 1 hour from now, she's going to be filing her nomination in Nandigram. Prema, I believe, is back with us. Over to you, Prema. Prema, can you hear me?
Just now, Mamata Banerjee made her way from this very crossing towards the DM's office, which is about 400 meters from here. And we can see the kind of, yes, Chaiti, as we can see the kind of mood on ground with the shouting in favor of Mamata Banerjee, chanting slogans of Khela Hobe and saying that they are in favor of Mamata Banerjee. As she walked from here all the way towards the DM's office, it is about the people getting to connect with Didi or their elder sister. And as she has said, Bangla nije meke chai, or Bengal wants its own daughter. And that's exactly the mood on ground, where people feel she is one of them. And when she made her way to the DM's office from this very crossing, her supporters are cheering her all the way. When we spoke to supporters before this, they said that she will win, she will emerge victorious. And of course, they said that Shivendu Adhikari, who was part of Trinamool Congress earlier, will be defeated because he has in some way been a traitor by leaving the party and now also contesting against Mamata Banerjee. So that's the kind of mood here on ground. Let me just ask some supporters here. Mamata Banerjee को क्यों सपोर्ट करना चाहेंगे?
दीदी के सब समय सोनार बांग्ला गढ़ते ही হবে सब समय সবাইকেই বলছি আপনারা দিদিকে ভোট দিন আপনারা সবাই ন্যায্য বিচার পাবেন আমি সব সময় বলছি দিদিকে জিতি রাখুন আপনারা সবাই গরিব দুঃখী সবাই সাহায্য পাবে
So we heard this lady here saying that we must make Mamata Banerjee win, and all the poor people are with her because she says that she is with the poor. She will usher in development and she will get in a Sonar Bangla, or is something which even the BJP has spoken about. But here the people are very confident of Mamata Banerjee. Let me just show you, Chaiti, some scenes of this rally. Mamata Banerjee has been walking ahead and we can see the smiles on people's faces, the kind of posters and the kind of slogans that they are are shouting out of Khela Hobe Bangla Nije Meke Chai, and we can see they're also in fact wearing these caps over here which have Mamta Banerjee's picture on it. So not just the flags, not just the smiles on people's faces, but even these caps here speak of their support for Mamta Banerjee here in Haldia. So even though it is Shubhendu Adhikari's bastion, Nandigram, Mamta Banerjee over here and the people with her saying that they will support her all out. So that's the kind of celebration over here, Chetty.
Prema, 1 hour from now, and Mamta is going to be filing her nomination in Nandigram as well. It's a big moment right there for the TMC Supremo, Prema.
Absolutely a big moment over here in Haldia is the DM's office, the district magistrate's office, and that is where Mamta has already made her way. She's in fact already proceeded towards the DM's office. Looks like 2:30 is far away, it's an hour away, but Mamta Banerjee is in a mood to really feel the excitement of the people around her. She needs that support, that encouragement, and that is perhaps why she's decided to come in much earlier than expected. So that is what the celebration is like on ground. The people supporting her, the kind of voices, the kind of jubilation on ground as Mamta Banerjee has walked and made her way from the crossing in Haldia, about 400 meters away from the DM's office. So that's the kind of celebratory mood over here as people stand here to support her and walk with her all the way in her fight against Shubhendu Adhikari. Back to you, Chetty.
Absolutely, and rather extremely electrifying atmosphere right there. Goddess Chandi, Shiv, you've got, the Hindu deities who have been lined up for the Bengal War. Prema, you've been tracking the elections for such a long time. Do you feel that at any point of time, even in the past, there's been so much significance that has been given to caste or to religion or to Hindu gods in elections in the past?
Well, Chetty, in Bengal, it's been politics of the land that has dominated elections. This time around, it is an interesting election because it is religion-based politics also that has been brought in, and that is something which maybe a certain section of people are not yet ready to accept. When we spoke to some people here in Nandigram, they said that somewhere they identify BJP with looking at religion-based politics, and somewhere looking at Mamta as that glue to unite all people together. So that is what they have to say. But having said that, there are some people who are willing to accept the religion-based politics here in West Bengal. Is Trinamool Congress ready for this religion-based politics? They're out here fighting. Mamta has even changed her constituency from Bhawanipur to Nandigram, giving her former aide Shubhendu Adhikari a tough fight. But is that fight going to emerge victorious for the Trinamool Congress? Is Mamta Banerjee going to win? If she does win against Shubhendu Adhikari here from Nandigram, it will be a huge victory for her, not just here, but even on the national platform. But if she does lose here against Shubhendu Adhikari, it will only show that Shubhendu Adhikari has a stronger face and a stronger support here in Nandigram. So all in all, Mamta Banerjee going all out to defeat the BJP, not just Shubhendu Adhikari, but the BJP. And remember, Shubhendu Adhikari knows Mamta, knows the pulse of Trinamool Congress, knows the people on ground, especially in Nandigram, because Shubhendu Adhikari was instrumental during the land acquisition movement. Remember, Singhu and Nandigram dominated the land acquisition movement or anti-land acquisition movement, because of which Trinamool Congress came into power in 2000 and 2011, and at that point in time, Mamta Banerjee was seen as a mascot of change to push out the left front after 34 years of rule in West Bengal. So that was Mamta Banerjee then. This is Mamta Banerjee now. Will she emerge victorious? victorious? Will she be the mascot of the people to keep in religion and keeping the people together, not divide people on base of communities? That is what the people here have to say when it comes to her supporters. But of course, when it comes to BJP supporters, they have another story to tell. But today it is Mamta's story, it is Mamta's day. It is the mood of celebration, not just for Mamta, but for her people. And it is the moment, not just for Mamta to go and file her nomination, not in Kolkata this time, but in Nandigram. We are here in Haldia, and for people, it is a different mood and feel. She's come here for rallies, but this time she is going to be fighting for here, and it is up to the people here whether they want to support her, whether they want to make her win. Will her supporters emerge victorious as opposed to BJP supporters is what the question is, and that is why people are here today, Chaiti, to support their Didi or their sister of Bengal. Back to you, Chaiti.
Absolutely, and Prema is getting us all those latest visuals that are coming in from the Padyatra as well. A little while back, we even showed you those pictures of TMC workers celebrating. Prema, there was a lot of cheer amidst the TMC workers, and let's not forget, the BJP workers also seemed to be very, very confident as they were backing Shivendu Adhikari when he went into the poll office to offer press, Prema.
Well, there are supporters of BJP, of course, in a jubilant mood because it's Shubhendu Adhikari, their leader. Now, when Shubhendu Adhikari left the Trinamool Congress, it was a huge blow for the Trinamool Congress, though they did not say it in as many words, because he is a huge mass leader and seen as a mass leader who's bigger after Mamta Banerjee. So he is somebody who has taken a lot of supporters with him, and of course his supporters want him to win irrespective of the party he is in. As far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned, their supporters say that he has left the party, he is somewhere been a traitor, and which is why they want to be with Mamta Banerjee and questioning why Shubhendu Adhikari is now contesting against Mamta Banerjee. Somewhere this contest between the people, not just between the parties or leaders, is what is going to be interesting to see, Chaiti, at the ballot box. And people here believe that somewhere Mamta Banerjee has always stood by them. We've heard them talking about the development schemes that she has brought in for them, and believe that she
While you're at this point, Prema, why didn't you also walk our viewers through the significance of Shubhendu Adhikari's defection as well?
who look up to her and say that Mamta Banerjee is the leader that they want here in Nandigram. But is that going to be the reality? Is that going to be the truth? We'll have to see. But before that, for Mamta Banerjee today, as she's already made her way towards the DM office to file a nomination, well, Shubhendu Adhikari somewhere felt that he was not getting as much importance as he should have. He's been a loyalist, and his family, in fact, has been a loyalist of the Trinamool Congress of Mamta Banerjee. But considering that these are such big elections this year, an election which has not really been seen, even before the elections have begun, it's such an electrifying mood. And that is why Shubhendu Adhikari decided to go towards the BJP, and he's getting that importance. Today he's getting to contest against Mamta Banerjee. And Mamta Banerjee, a leader of a tall stature, of a leader like Mamta Banerjee, being pitted against Shubhendu Adhikari is not just a big power boost for Shubhendu Adhikari, but again, if he does win against Mamta, it will be a huge, huge victory for the BJP, and that is exactly what the BJP wants. That we have taken your man, and your man who understands you and your party has defeated you. That is what they want to show. But having said that, Chaiti, they are trying to make optimum use of Shubhendu Adhikari's understanding of the party on ground, and the fact that somewhere when it comes to the weak moments or weak points of the Trinamool Congress and the history in West Bengal, that is what Shubhendu Adhikari is going to be trying to look at and target when it comes to the people on ground. Because
also, Prema, this looks like the contest between Mamta Banerjee and Shubhendu Adhikari right there in South Bengal seems to be an absolute battle of political hegemony.
It is going to be a power fight, but it's the people again of Bengal, people of Nandigram, who are going to be deciding the entire map, political map. battle of political hegemony. It's been Mamata Banerjee all the way. She's been ruling for 10 years. She never thought that there would be a BJP to give a tough fight of this nature. She has fought tooth and nail against the left front, and it has been a long time before which she actually did manage to get the left front out, and she made history not just in India but in the world. And this time around, Mamata Banerjee wants to keep her composure, but clearly that composure is not coming out in her rallies when she goes all out and she hits out at the BJP. But is that only the reason why Mamata Banerjee is nervous, or is it also because somewhere she knows that Shubhendu Adhikari does have a stronghold here in Nandigram, because he has led the anti-land acquisition movement at a time when the Trinamool Congress was ushered into power here in West Bengal, and the people, of course, remember him as somebody who has spearheaded that anti-land acquisition here in Bengal, and of course he happened at that point in time to be part of the Trinamool Congress. So people still remember that. But for other loyalists of Mamata Banerjee, not really only the Trinamool Congress but of Mamata Banerjee, for them they believe Shubhendu Adhikari is not somebody who could be trusted, and the fact that he is contesting against Mamata Banerjee. So it is an emotional chord that this contest is striking not just two tall leaders here in Nandigram, but the
question
fact
that comes to my mind, and why is it that the BJP is trying to take the credit for Mamata's temple hop?